I hope that all of you are doing great. Well, probably not everyone is doing great right now. Seeing the price of the Bitcoin that has plummeted 15.5k, we thought that the bottom was already in at 17.5k, but here we are looking at the unseen, and right now it is hovering around $16,700. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to talk about what exactly happened to the Bitcoin, and it has very much the relation with the FTX and the Binance row that happened. In fact, right now, the entire FTX exchange has collapsed. In a sense, it has stopped the withdrawals. At the same time, even if you try to visit the website ftx.com, you will not be able to visit because it has been stopped. Now, SEC has started investigation. Bad day for crypto. And the Bitcoin plummeting that much, the altcoins have literally perished. I mean, if you try to see the altcoins, they have gone crazy low in evaluations. So I'm sitting at Dubai hotel. I came to Dubai for some of the events, some of the crypto things, and right now sitting at the hotel, and I was in a flight, and that's when, after landing upon, I happened to check the price plummeting to 15.5k. So guys, it all started earlier. FTX CEO Sam Bankman-Fried was very much famous guy, very much known guy, a billionaire under 30, likable guy, nice guy, right? And then slowly what happened, there was a controversy. I mean, I'm trying to give you the background of the things, like how the things unfolded. The BitBoy Crypto, a famous YouTuber with 1.44 million followers within the crypto market, in fact the highest following YouTuber, actually told some of the things regarding Sam Bankman-Fried, that he is not what it seems. This is what he said, that he is like a sheep, but he's just dressed as a nice guy. He is actually lobbying with the anti-crypto people, the people who are trying to kill the space, who are trying to bring centralization into this crypto market, whereas all the real crypto people are for the decentralization, are for the people to hold their assets rather than a central authority or the government authority holding the things. So this is what BitBoy Crypto kept on alleging onto Sam Bankman-Fried, and then there came a point where actually SBF is the short form of Sam Bankman-Fried, sided with one of the policies that seemed to be pretty much anti-crypto, and this was the turning point when the image of Sam Bankman-Fried literally got fried. Why? Because the words of BitBoy Crypto came true, that okay, this guy is actually, he seems to be somebody else, but right now why he's supporting something like this, which is actually not following the decentralization thing. Now this actually led for a lot of people to believe in BitBoy Crypto, and rather the image of Sam Bankman-Fried got ruined with that thing. But then Sam Bankman-Fried tried to cover it up a lot of times with the tweets that he is up for the decentralization, he's up for the crypto space, everything is misinterpreted, and all that thing happening. With all that thing happening, suddenly out of the blue, we happen to hear like the past, earlier in 2021, CZ Binance, the CEO of Binance, actually dumped their $2.1 billion stake from the FTT and FTX exchange, the share that they had, but they did not sell the tokens. And right now, CZ Binance suddenly came up with a tweet that they are going to dump $500 million asset on the price, probably because seeing the past risk management and the Luna thing, they would want to dump all of that, and they would want to do the risk management. So probably, do not want to move the market, so probably it'll take a couple of months for it to happen. Guess what? Then comes the Alameda Research into picture. Alameda Research is hand in gloves with FTX. So basically they are like founded by the same people, and they were using each other for their advantage. Alameda Research came and said, okay, we are going to sell, if you are not willing to move the market, we can sell you all your tokens for $22, which would have been actually been a great profitable deal for CZ Binance, but he refused the deal, which brought the real intentions that probably he wanted to dump the FTT token. But why would he want to dump the FTT token? Like, what is the impact that would happen? Then comes the real thing that has caused all the problem. What is the real thing? That Alameda Research, the FTX launched its FTT token. Alameda Research bought really cheap that FTT token earlier during the venture phase and during the really early phase, and then the token got pumped over a period of time. When the token got pumped, obviously it means FTX Research as at the same time FTX Exchange at the same time Alameda Research, both were highly profitable of the people's investment, but they started using this FTT token as a collateral. That means they were using their own token for the leverage, like they were putting it as a collateral and buying a lot of other people's asset. Now, when you're putting things at collateral, that means you are expecting the price would not go down below a certain level, because the moment it goes down below a certain level, you are liquidated. The entire position is liquidated, just the way Three Arrows Capital, their entire capital got liquidated beyond a certain point, but Bitcoin falling. So was the case for FTT, that if somebody dumps those FTT tokens, if it falls below a certain price, their leverage position will be liquidated and it will be a complete wipeout, complete bankruptcy. Guess what? That's what CZ Binance was doing. He was trying to completely bankrupt this particular thing, and that's when the FTT price started falling down. It went till $15. From $23, $24 to $15. And the next thing that we happen to see, CZ Binance coming up with the tweet, hey, we are planning to acquire the FTX, like this is the letter of intent, and probably yes, we can back out of the deal anytime, but right now this is what the proposal is. We are planning to acquire the FTX, as he had a discussion with Sang Bankman-Friedman. At the same time, Sang Bankman-Friedman also tweeted, okay, now they had the deal and CZ is a great guy and stuff. And probably the funds of the investors at FTX is very safe. Anyone who wants to withdraw, they can withdraw. That's when slowly and steadily what happened? The coin started pumping. The Bitcoin price started recovering. It went again above $20,000. That's when the nuke came. The nuke of FTT falling suddenly 50% to $10, and then another 50% to $5, and then another 50% to $2. That means nobody else but CZ Binance actually then dumped the token. And FTX announced that they have stopped the withdrawal. That means the people who actually withdrew from the exchange earlier, they got probably their money back if the withdrawal was active at that time, and afterwards everyone's funds got stuck. And because the FTT price got so much down, that Alameda Research is now liquidated. Their position of billions of dollars got liquidated. In fact, there was this information that Sang Bankman-Friedman, within 24 hours, before 24 hours of this liquidation, he had $14.9 billion of net worth, and right now he's $999 million net worth. That means $14 billion have been lost, wiped out of his net worth. Now a lot of people are angry with Binance. Why? Because the entire market got new. Bitcoin going to $15,500, altcoins plummeting. In fact, this is not a very healthy thing to do, right? But now, if you remember, I gave the image building that happened, like the BitBoy controversy. Sang Bankman-Friedman was considered somebody who is in the space to kill the space. So now CZ Binance is actually fighting with them. So the criticism really got diluted. Otherwise, just imagine if there was no criticism, it would have been CZ Binance would have been the villain of the entire crypto market. But if you try to see the equation, this is the equations. SBF is still blamed by the people that, okay, it's all Sang Bankman-Friedman's fault and stuff, like why did they do all that mistake? At the same time, some of the people are even are angry on CZ. Personally, I believe that CZ has actually come up saying that, okay, this is not something we did deliberately and it is not good for space and stuff. I mean, I understand if he says something like this, and I understand probably with the controversy, but there seems to be pretty much a mismatch in what he's saying and what he has done. I mean, what was the need of dumping the token? I mean, other than trying to liquidate the FTX exchange, and which caused the Bitcoin's price to fall. So I'm not saying like probably, I mean, it might have been done for the good, but he needs to come up with explanation that why he did it, rather than we didn't do it intentionally. I mean, you cannot dump your tokens unintentionally. So all that thing said and done, guys, here we are. Nobody expected it to happen. One of the biggest exchange fallen down under the scrutiny of SEC. A lot of investors are very, very critical. That's what the capitulation and the brutal bear markets can do. What I'm going to tell you is that probably a lot of crypto would not survive, but this is once in a lifetime opportunity if some of the altcoins that have a great potential for the future, and right now they are on fire sale right now. So probably if somebody still have the capital left to deploy and they were planning to deploy, this is one of the best time, I would say. Because yes, there might be another leg down, but we are far closer to bottom than to the top. So all that thing said and done, guys, I hope that you found the information helpful. Smash the like button if you're not already. Comment down below what do you feel about this, and I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Opportunity of a lifetime to win one full Bitcoin, and not just for the one time. In fact, every time we have 1000 referral crossed, we will be doing the lucky draw, and you will be qualified every time to participate for just doing one time task. What is that one time task? All you have to do is just sign up to Binance Exchange with our referral link. The link is down below in the video description, or you can even use the QR code that you see on the screen. Deposit $100 and buy any crypto of your choice. The crypto is yours, the $100 is yours. That's it. You're qualified for the rest of your life to keep on winning one Bitcoin every time we reach 1000 referral. All you have to do after that, email to us your Binance user ID at the email abdullah@abdullahzahid.com. Every 1000 referral, we will select one random user, and you are qualified every time we cross 1000 referral, 2000 referral, 3000 referral. That means you can even win 10 Bitcoin. So all you have to do, again, I'll repeat, click the link down below in the description, or the QR code. You will be landing up at the Binance sign up page. You click on sign up with phone or email or Google, whichever way you sign up. You deposit $100, you buy any crypto of your choice, and then just email your user ID to our email address. Where do you find your user ID? This is your dashboard. You click on profile and you click on dashboard. The moment you click, you will find at the screen your user ID, and you just have to email to us. All the best for your lucky draw.